Welcome to MedMart.com. I'm David, the president, one of our product specialists, and I'm here with an exciting new entry from Golden Technologies. The Golden Buzzaround portable folding power wheelchair. It is a great addition to this line. This is one of the most advanced. It's got a lot of new technology in it. It's got a lot of great features. We're going to do a whole video talking about why we think it's so awesome. The Buzzaround line has been around forever. You can count on Golden Technologies, and I'm going to tell you why you can count on this to get you from A to B in the most portable, independent fashion. Let's get into the video. Introducing the Buzzaround CarryOn folding power wheelchair, a compact, lightweight solution designed for convenience and mobility. With its compact 21-inch turning radius and center wheel drive, the CarryOn glides effortlessly through tight spaces, offering superior maneuverability at home or on the go. Equipped with an independent four-wheel suspension and a springless articulating chassis, this chair ensures a smooth and comfortable ride across various terrains. For added comfort and safety, enjoy textured soft-touch armrests and a front-rear light package that ensures visibility day and night. Travel-ready and portable, the CarryOn features a removable, airline-friendly lithium-ion battery, offering up to 12.5 miles of range, and at just 46 pounds, when folded to a slim 10-inch height, it is easy to store and transport. With its lightweight design, powerful battery, and user-friendly features, the Buzzaround CarryOn is your perfect partner for mobility, comfort, and adventure. Ready to carry on with life? Choose the Buzzaround CarryOn for mobility without compromise. Golden Technologies, the company you can trust for mobility solutions. Visit MedMart.com or call a product expert today. We're standing by to help you find the right mobility solution. With best prices and even better service, call us today.